Chicken Licken. One day, a nut fell on Chicken Licken. Ouch! The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I must tell the king.
Oh, what happened to the chicken again?
And the nut fell on his head. Look,
Oh,
he looks
my.
like he had an owie.
Oh,
Alright.
oh, he cried, ouch. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So what? What is he going to do?
Tell the king the king lives far away.
Far away. Okay, all right.
On the way, he met Henny Penny.
Mm-hmm.
The sky's falling down, said Chicken Licken. I'm going to tell the king.
Wow.
I'll come too, said Henny Penny. And off they went to find the king.
Where are they going?
To the king.
Okay, what does that sign say?
To the castle.
Okay.
On the way, they met Cocky Lucky.
Mm-hmm.
The sky's falling down, said Chicken Licken. I'm going to tell the king.
Where is Cocky Lucky?
Here he is.
Oh, I love his feathers. They're beautiful.
And I love his feet.
His feet?
Look at them.
Pretty. Mm-hmm.
Look at them, they're big.
Mm-hmm.
I'll come too, said Cocky Lucky, and off they went to find the king.
Okay.
Look, Foxy Luxy's hiding.
Who is Fox? Fox Fox is hiding?
Yes, do you see him?
I see him. He's hiding behind the bush. He's so sneaky. What do
He
you
doesn't
think
want to get seen.
He doesn't
He's
want
going
to
to
get seen.
follow them
Oh.
to the castle so he can eat them for lunch.
Oh my gosh, Anna, you're talking about the story. All right, let's see what this page says.
On the way, they met Ducky Lucky.
Ducky Lucky.
Sneezy.
Okay.
Ducky. The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I'm going to tell the king.
Wow. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'll come too, said Ducky Lucky, and off they went to find the king. Oh my gosh!
How many of them are there now?
Oh my gosh, Foxy Lucky is here, and Foxy Lucky is there!
Oh, he was hiding behind the tree. Right.
And he's hiding behind that flower thing.
Right. He's watching them all along. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens next.
Look at this,
I
Foxy
see.
Lucky.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, Foxy Lucky. On the way, they met Drakey Lakey.
Okay.
The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I'm going to tell the king.
Where?
Oh my gosh, Foxy Lucky is hiding behind the bridge.
I see him too. Wow. Look at Drakey Lakey.
Yeah, she's
Drakey
opening
Lakey's
her.
a-
She's opening her mouth.
Mm-hmm. Is she a duck? Drakey Lakey's a duck?
Yeah, she's a duck.
Don't know that.
They're for your chickens.
Right. Mm-hmm.
I'll come too, said Drakey Lakey, and off they went to find the king. To the castle.
How many of them now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Foxy Lucky is so close. He's right here. He looks angry.
He's hiding. Yeah,
He's
he's
stuck.
watching them. All right. Let's see what Foxy
He
Lucky
just-
is up to. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I see him. He's at the castle.
Right.
On the way, they met Goose and Lucy. The sky falling down, said Chicken Licken. I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Goosey Lucy. And off they went to find the king. Oh my gosh! Goosey Lucy had the same feet like Ducky Lucky and Drakey Lakey.
Yeah. And Goosey Lucy has white feathers. He's
Mhm.
cute, and he looks to be the tallest. Is he?
Yeah, Foxy Luxy's there. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
On the way, they met Foxy Luxy.
Mm-hmm.
The sky's falling down, they said.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Foxy Luxy.
I
Follow
wonder.
me.
Oh wow.
To,
Where?
this is here.
That's
His home.
That's to the castle, and Foxy Luxy lives somewhere else.
Here.
Okay, alright, let's see.
And
Well, let's see.
he's giant.
Foxy Loxy, yeah. Alright, let's see.
And that was the end of Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Lucky Lucky, Doki Loki, Drake Licky, and Goosey Lucy. They got eaten! I see all their feathers.
Oh my gosh.
Green
They all
feathers,
got
yellow
eaten by the
feathers,
fox.
blue feathers, brown feathers, and pink feathers.
Wow, so
feathers.
where did Foxy Loxy take them?
To his home.
That's a cunning fox. Very
Look
smart.
at their feathers. They're everywhere.
I can't believe
I'm
Chicken
so-
Licken and everybody. Oh my gosh, got eaten. They're so silly. Okay.
And that was the end of Chicken Licken. How much do you remember out the story of Chicken Licken? Answer these questions and find out.
Okay.
What falls on Chicken Licken's head, boys and girls?
What? Yeah, what was it?
Yes.
Was it the sky
It's-
that fell?
No.
What was it?
A nut.
Oh, it was a nut, and poor Chicken Licken thought it was the sky falling?
Yeah.
Wow. What's the second question there?
What does you think is happening? The sky falling down.
Wow. The other question?
Who does Chicken Licken go to tell?
Ooh,
King.
right, the king. Yes, and what's the other
Where does
question?
Foxy Loxat take everyone?
Where?
To his home.
Wow, all right.
So that's the end of Chicken Lick and her friends. They got Chicken Licking and her friend got eaten by the fox.
That's so sad.
So sad. They're so cute and the fox is so mean.
Oh,
I don't like Foxy Loxy.
yeah. Foxy Loxy also ate
If-
the gingerbread man. You remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, Foxy Loxy is mean. All right, say goodbye to your friends and all.
Goodbye. If you like it, like, subscribe.